Hi there, Erica from On Strategy here. Today's whiteboard tip is from one of our recent interviews on how to use your vision in everyday activities. A vision needs to drive your organization into the future. It is your North Star. But to reach that future state, you need to ensure that your team is connected and, quite frankly, stays connected to your vision. Here are 4 ways to reinforce your vision in everyday activities. Number 1, celebrate success often. We can't say that enough. Success breeds success. Number 2, use your vision to guide your decision-making. Ultimately, your path towards your future state is a series of decisions, daily, weekly, monthly, and your vision keeps you focused. Number 3, communicate impact and where you are towards that impact that you seek and you hope to achieve. And number 4, last but certainly not least, be bold. It's a vision after all, and say yes. You never know where yes will take you. These 4 ideas came from Dana during her interview from our show, Strategy Stories from the Real World. Dana is a special project manager for our own Washoe County, and she's currently leading and heading up the charge to address our country and our county's most significant challenge, helping people experiencing homelessness. Let's jump into a piece of her interview so you can hear how she uses her vision every day to lead this community-wide effort to tackle homelessness. This particular conversation is a community vision, which is super interesting. And so just when we talk about big, bold visions, Dana is our spokesperson and our champion in our community related to addressing the issues of people experiencing homelessness. But knowing that it's a community-wide vision, describe, Dana, what's the county's vision for addressing this issue?
Yeah, as you said, Erica, this really is a community-wide effort. So it is a lot more about just working on a county division or a team. You know, we are leading the community to build a system that's capable of housing people, and that makes experiencing homelessness rare, brief, and non-reoccurring. And as is in the case of many communities nowadays, the need is there for this bold action. We are focusing on 6 different areas in this focus. The first one is centralized and shared client data. This is critical. All data for individuals experiencing homelessness will be shared across organizations to improve program outcomes. Also, unified regional outreach. We will consistently work as a coordinated regional team to ensure that all individuals are reached and data is shared. We know that we're greater as working together than single individual organizations. Another area of focus is our housing clients faster. Through coordination of these efforts and sharing data, we're able to connect our partners with those people experiencing homelessness to make sure that we are effectively matching up all who need support and all of the available support in our region. This makes the process a lot more efficient. Also, sheltering the unsheltered. We know that by using a housing first approach, we can ensure that our region has available emergency shelter and temporary housing for everyone in need. This requires education also, as housing first does not mean housing only. The model really depends on robust wraparound services and case management to maximize housing stability and prevent returns into homelessness. 5th area is accessible care for all, and the county really is prioritizing this, and we're supporting our partners as well, expanding that staffing so that anyone who needs to work with a case manager has access to one. And finally, a regional approach to affordable housing. We're working closely with our partner jurisdictions in the area to expand and fund sustainable, affordable housing options. The work is really complex and we can't do it alone. So as we've been saying, this is a community effort, and a lot of our time is spent educating and strengthening those stakeholders in our community to enable this vision.
And there you have it. Don't forget to check out Dana's full interview in the link in the description. Happy strategizing.